How to customize your iTunes display information if you have a Mac. Hello, and welcome to Videojug. Your iTunes could display all kinds of information about your songs, but it's nice to know you can customize the display to your own specs. Follow these 2 easy steps to learn how. Step 1. Launch iTunes. Click on the iTunes icon on your dock to launch the program. Step 2. View Options. Press Command-J on your keyboard to open the View Options dialog box. You can now select what you would like to see by clicking on the box next to the column names. Done.